Okay, so I did my zigzag, and this one you have to do too thick. It's got to be thin. I mean, cause nobody you're not gonna notice it. Mine is kind of like thin, but yeah, the tracks are closer apart. But I don't know. It doesn't hurt, but you don't have to do it as close apart. So now I'm gonna start going in a circle, and I started at the front. Then I'm just gonna start going like so. Just gonna start going like so in a circle. So from this braid, I'm going to hold on to here and start sewing. Just go through the braid and go to the track. There you go. Then again. Oh, my arm looks so big. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny having an athletic body without really being athletic. I mean, I am by nature, but I haven't been exercising or anything. Yeah. Oh, okay. Go through. It's funny how I'm not tired. It's like almost 2 now. 1:58 a.m. Oh my god. Oh yeah, oh my god. Daylight savings. Yeah, there should be daylight savings anytime soon now. I'm not sure if it changed yet or not, but yeah. We lose an hour of sleep. Not excited about that. I mean, you know, you win some, you lose some. And I'm gonna hold on to this last one right here. Go through the braid. There you go. You see the track? You just go through that track right here. And keep going until your needle ends and you feel it securing. You're getting tight. And then for the front, I'm just going to hold on to whatever braid I see. Like this one I'm going to do next, and then this one, and this one. So, I'm going to keep going. Okay, what did I do now? I think I messed up somewhere. But yeah, I'm just going to keep going. Oh, I got caught in a track or something. Oh, okay, I gotcha. Yeah, it's my hair. Yeah, I didn't hold on to a track properly. Okay. Just gonna keep going. Grab a braid, keep going. Okay. Yeah, maybe I thought I had a braid and I didn't have a braid. That's probably what it was. It was just gonna keep sewing and then be like, what? And your track is going to tell you like, where the hell am I going? So yeah. Gonna go around. And this is my first time doing like a roundabout sewing. So, I don't know. It better turn out okay. Because I think these are the easiest ones. Because I mean, how hard could they be? You're not leaving your hair out or anything. You're just doing like in a circle. And the circle is not perfect as long as you have hair and hair on the front. And so. Okay. And I know some people, see, another fake braid, phantom braid that I thought I grabbed onto. But yeah, some people they tie their knots after they braid it. I guess that's for like added security. But I don't do that. I don't know. It just takes too much time. Because tying a knot isn't really as simple as, it's not simple. It's not really that simple. It's time consuming when you have to do like 1,000 braids. So yeah, that's why I don't do it. And yeah, I'm just going to keep going around. Where am I? Okay, I'm going to keep going this way. Okay. And I would make sure the front is tight. Because I mean, that's the part we're going to do your bang. Just trying to find my thread here. Okay, here we go. Oh, there, see? Okay. Found it! Just keep going around, holding on to the front braids. Sewing to the front braids. Okay, something doesn't look right here. Okay, I'm hoping that's easy to fix. Yeah, I hope it is. But yeah, there's like a little hump here. If not, I'll probably just like flatten it down or something. I don't know. I have several of these throughout my head. But yeah, I should flatten. Wow, and I can see why this hair is like so low quality. It's like so frizzy. I mean, I'm not trying to go high quality right now. Cause yeah. Not for something that you're gonna practice on. I mean, it makes no sense. And this is the bad thing about a dull needle. Is you go through your track a little bit slower. But I mean, it's a good thing because you don't gotta keep stabbing yourself. If you stab yourself, it doesn't hurt. I mean, that is a bonus. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going around. Okay, so I finished the first part of this one, going in a circle. So then I've met my other part. See right here. See me. So I'm just going to keep going round, like so, till I get to the top. And then I'll come back. Oh shoot. See, what a difference. Weave, like, it transformed your life, like, seriously. What a different look. I can really use a change right now. Yeah, so this hair is, like, so weird looking. I'm gonna take the light off. Okay. And it looks a little, looks okay. I can deal with that. So I'll see you when I'm close to the top, and I'll show you guys how to do the top. Bye.